Hello everyone, welcome to Nails for Sanam. In this video I'm going to be featuring this 12 color nail art glitter powder by Laza from Autumn nail glitter collection, and these are very fine and chunky, so all different sizes in a glitter. They are non-toxic foil with great pigment, so the color is really brilliant. And as you can see, this pack comes in 12 colors, so they're all fall autumn based colors, like really pretty dark brown color or burgundy brown, and this is champagne, this is a dark orange or brown color, and then this is copper and bright orange. Oh my god, this is so pretty. Bronze, another super color, I really like it. Light gold, this is orange and gold and silver. This is light orange color, and this is sparkling silver, and this is silver and gold mix, and finally it is pretty gold color. So these are 12 jars that comes in the pack, and when you compare with other brands, these are double the size of the jar. So look at the other company jars and look at the Laza one. They definitely have more quantity and it will last you a long time. So this is perfect for nail art, like a regular nail art or gel polish or acrylic. Even you can use in jewelry making or resin crafts, and it is perfect for eyes, body, and your nails and hair. So this is how it looks on my nails, very pretty. They have another glitter, is a maple leaf glitter, which is really pretty, and I love this because it's a very good quality. It's a laser cut sharp, so like it's a precise leaf cutting, so every leaf is perfectly cut, and it is very thin and very spark. And they have 3 different colors in it, like a orange, bronze and gold. And I'm going to apply this on my nail. I applied the regular nail polish, clear nail polish, so that it can stick to it nicely, and then I'm just applying the glitter just like this. Again, this glitter you can use in your nail, face, hair and body, as it is safe and non-toxic. And not only nail, but you can use in makeup, beauty, DIY, handmade projects, even phone case decorations. So these are really versatile, and I really like the glitter. And look at the quantity of the glitter, it's so much, it will last you a long time. So I hope you enjoyed this review and the video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the product links are given in the description box, so please check them out, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.